How to lock app in Android phone. Hello everyone. To lock app, first go to Play Store app. Now type this. Click here. Now click here. Now click install. After install, click open. Now draw a pattern. Now enter a secret number. Now click done. Now select the app you want to lock. Now click here. Now click here. Now select the app lock and click here. Now click accept. Now click here. Then click here. Now click here. Now to open a gallery, I need to draw the pattern.
If this video helped you, then please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.